So this example states, as we continue with a conditional probability, it says, in a survey, 2,112 students were asked if they had ever cheated on a final exam for any of their classes. Of these respondents, 1,158 were women. Of the 1,067 students who said they had cheated, 581 were men. What is the probability that a respondent never cheated, given that the respondent was a woman? So here we have this partially constructed two-way table, and the idea is that you can construct your own two-way table to help answer a lot of these probability problems. As we read them and we have all these numbers that are there, we have to be able to assemble them somehow, and a two-way table is a good way of being able to do that. So you can construct your own two-way table to answer these probabilities, similar to what we would do with Venn diagrams. So this one's partially started for you. And as you can see, all the values here, the 2,112 and 1,158, all these values here are already in here according to how they represent certain variables. All we're going to do is we're going to fill in the rest here. So you can see right here we have a total of those that cheated, 1,067. And here, according to the two-way table, 581 are already accounted for. So if I subtract out the 581 from the 1,067, that'll give me 486 right here. And of course, if I have 1,158 for a total for this row right here, subtract the 486 from the 1158, and I'm going to have 672 here. And all I'm doing is filling in the rest of this table. If we have 2,112 and 1,158 are already accounted for, then this up here has got to be 954. We simply subtract the 1,158 from the 2,112. Then, of course, if I have 954 here, 581 are already accounted for in this row. Then this has got to be 373. And then the total down here, we simply add these two together, and that gives us 1,045. So now everything is filled in. Now we can go ahead and answer the problem here. What is the probability that a respondent never cheated, given that the respondent was a woman? So here is our condition. So we're only concerned with the women here. So what the condition kind of does, it isolates what we want to focus on. So we're only concerned with the women. So that's this row right here. How many women are there? Well, there's 1,158 women. 1,158. So given that they're this group, what is the probability the respondent never cheated? Well, that's this group right here. So that's 672 out of the 1,158. That's approximately 0.5803. So we can say approximately 58.03%.